What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie and we're here with another product review, and in today's video we're going to be doing the Meguiars Detailer non-acid wheel cleaner. So this is a wheel and tire cleaner that we're going to be testing out on our cars. Now I wanted to test it out on the Jeep because I really wanted a good tire cleaner. These tires right here on the Rubicon, they're huge and I like them when they're like clean, but I don't have the tire dressing on it, so it just gives that natural off-road tire look. But I'm gonna try it today on the Kia because the Kia wheels have so much brake dust on them. So we're gonna work on the Kia wheel. Now this product right here is just under $15 right here. I picked up at AutoZone, and I want to read over something in the back of the product for the directions. So if you're looking at the back of the product, it says do not use on uncoated aluminum, anodized magnesium, powder coated aftermarket or motorcycle wheels, and painted or colored brake components. So basically this is safe to use on OEM products, wheels that you would buy from the dealership that haven't been refurbished or painted. So we're gonna work on the Kia. I'm gonna give it a rinse, give you guys a B-roll montage, and then at the end of the video I'll give you guys my honest thoughts on this product right here. Alright guys, so I just did 2 rinses and 2 times I cleaned this one wheel right here, and I'm fully impressed. So if you guys look at the video of the montage, you can see that few seconds once after I sprayed the tire, it was turning brown and it was dripping, and it was basically getting all of that dirt off of the tire. And I rinsed it one time with just the spray, and then I sprayed it again and hit it with my brushes to get that clean inside of the wheels. And overall I'm really impressed with the product. I've always liked Meguiars products, but this right here for 15 bucks, like I said, is really good product. Maybe you could even pick it up cheaper on Amazon or something, but this was just a local store that I went to, and I decided to buy that product because I never tried it. Overall this is really good results right here. I'm gonna hit my other 3 wheels, finish up this car wash, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.